Good evening, gang. Part two of the review here, if you will. Last night was the flashlight. Tonight is the OKnife, if you will. And kind of wanted to do the same thing with this that I did yesterday. Now, a few of you guys made comments. Most of you guys appreciated how I reviewed it. A couple of you guys said, oh, you're a sellout or whatever it is. Guys, I'm not getting paid for this or anything like that. They sent me these, asked me to review them. My idea was as long as I could give stuff away to you guys, it was worthwhile, okay? You know I don't do sponsorships, you know I don't do affiliate links, but when there's a product that either I use or is a prepping thing that's given to me, I think it's worthwhile to show you guys and give you my opinion, whether or not you've ever seen it. Some of you said you never even heard of this stuff. And a lot of you guys sung the praises. Now, a couple of you guys made the comment, oh, it's made in China. Yeah, and I'm right there with you on the made in China part. That's a big negative for me. Unfortunately, most of the stuff that we get now is made in China. So if you want something, that's what it is. But I'm going to do these if they are, in my opinion, worthwhile to you guys. If you don't like that, you don't have to watch. That's fine with me too, okay? I'm doing this to try to help y'all see what's a good product, what's not a good product, what's a good value for your money, what's not a good value for your money, all right? So what I've got today is the new OKnife Splint, okay? This is the knife. It's a pocket knife again, all right? And I am going to compare it to the pocket knife that I carry, which is a Smith & Wesson pocket knife. Now, they're roughly the same size. You take a look at them. Okay, they're actually, there we go. So, let's get it on the screen. So, they're same size knife. Okay, so let's look at the OKnife. Okay, very simple pocket knife. Has an ergonomic grip on it. Nice there. It's a good balanced knife. Feels good in my hand. It's very light, okay? The big key to the OKnife here is the stainless steel that the blade is made from, okay? It's made from N690 stainless steel, which is a very high quality steel. It's a very hard steel, okay? Knife came sharp. It is good, okay? I do like the knife. Like I said, it's very comfortable. Not a whole lot that you can really talk about with a knife. All right, so here it is. But I want to compare it to my Smith & Wesson pocket knife as well, okay? Now, same size. This one's a little heavier, which is fine, okay? It's still not heavy by any means. The difference is this is it's still stainless steel, but it's a much lower quality stainless steel, okay? This is the 7C17 MOV steel, okay, which is a softer steel. Still stainless, still good, still holds an edge. This one will hold an edge longer than this one will. This one will be easier to sharpen than this one will, okay? Obviously, because it's a harder steel. Okay? Both of them have your little belt clips on them, which are good, okay? The one thing I do like about the Smith & Wesson version is it does have the serrated edge down here on the bottom. So if I need a little better cutting power, you know, for something small, I can do it. I mean, again, guys, remember, this is a pocket knife. This is not an axe. This is not a hatchet, whatever. You know, you read people's articles, oh, this knife isn't any good for chopping wood. Who the hell is chopping wood with something like this, okay? This is good for cutting rope, opening boxes, maybe stripping some wood shavings off a branch to start a fire with, self-defense, okay? That's what a pocket knife's for. A pocket knife is not for you to go out and start chopping down trees or anything of the sort like that to build your fire with. At that point, you know, hence why I have a machete. Hence why I say, you know, if you want a good fixed blade knife, get a K-bar. This is a pocket knife. That is what it is for, okay? For small, light duty, okay? It is a good knife. I definitely like the knife. There is no question about it there. Again, the difference on the knife is the cost. MSRP on the OKnife is $70. Right now they are doing 25% off, so it's $52.46, which is about a normal price for a high quality blade. So I would consider this fair value in the market, not a problem. This one is also made in China. So, yes, even though we can say, well, gee, it's Smith & Wesson, yes, it's still made in China, guys, okay? So put that into play. But the Smith & Wesson knife is $20. Now, for what I use a knife for at this point, cutting rope, cutting string, cutting burlap when I'm planting trees or something like that, opening a box, this does fine. The downside is I do have to sharpen it quite often. I haven't had a chance to use this one enough. Obviously, I just got it the other day. I haven't had a chance to use it enough to see how much I have to sharpen it, but we will see. But overall, it is a good knife. And I think at $50, I think it's a good value for the quality of the steel. Okay. So that being that. Now, just like yesterday with the flashlights, I have one of these to give away, okay? And so this will be a nice little gift for somebody too. Same thing. Put a comment down below with the state you live in. Make sure you put the state in there, because when I do this, if I don't see a state in the comment, you don't win, okay? I will do a video probably on Sunday to let everybody have a chance, 24 hours or so to get in and watch this video, because obviously it's going up at 8 o'clock at night. And, some people are already close to bed, not watching videos, and I want to give them all day Saturday to go look at it. But put a comment below in this video. I will do one video on Sunday. I will show you, just like I always do, in the random comment generator, picking a name. Again, who wins. Same thing as yesterday, though. Your comment must include the state in which you live in. Otherwise, you are not eligible. Okay. You must be 18 years old, and you must live in the United States. That is it. Okay. If we get lucky and everybody sends me their addresses on Sunday, I will put everything in the mail Monday morning, and you guys will have this sometime next week. But this is a good knife, guys. I like this. What I could see this being really good for me, because of the steel, is for fishing. I want to see if I should be able to get through, easily be able to gut a fish, and certainly be able to head a fish with something like this. But obviously I'm not going to go try that. So this is what we got. Second thing, like I said, somebody asked, no, this is not a regular feature. This happens to be something that was new that they wanted to put out and get some exposure to. I thought it was I know the company, and I also thought it was a good prepping item. And as long as I can give some of this stuff to you guys, I thought it was worthwhile doing. So that's why we got this. But again, no, I'm not sponsoring this. No, there's not affiliate links to this thing, anything like that. I'm not making a nickel off of this. I don't care to. I know some of you guys said, oh, yeah, you should be. That's not the reason for doing this, guys. This is a prepping channel. This isn't a freaking business, okay? I've got a job. So, all right, enough of that. Put your comments down below. We'll talk to y'all later. Pinball out.